It's easy to pick up after your dog. Plus, you could practice holding your breath. Watch the next clip. And this is the end result. This is how I prepare the bag. I fold it this way. So this way, when after the dog is finished, I can just easily pull it up and close, and that's it. That's all I do. I make it like that. Then after she goes, I pull the bottom. And it helps to have a big bag. It's hard for me to film and show at the same time when Pepper is pulling, but basically you probably are getting the idea. You know, you just pull the other ends and then you close it and you're done. So that's my way of picking after the dog.